Hey there, welcome back, and if you are new, then welcome. I'm really glad you're here because today we're making a sweet and healthy snack that is perfect for during the day or even a late night treat. Let's start by making the crust. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, and just a small pinch of salt. Give this a quick mix so everything is evenly combined. While you are mixing, melt a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Once that is ready, pour it into the bowl and mix everything together. Now, scoop out about half of this mixture and set it aside for the top. Take the rest and pour it into your baking dish. I wish I had a slightly smaller pan for this, but it still worked. Tamp the mixture down firmly to create a nice crust on the bottom. Take your time here because this is what holds everything together. Now, let's move on to the blueberry layer. In the bowl, add 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, 2 cups of blueberries, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix this until everything is well combined and the blueberries are nicely coated. Pour this blueberry mixture over the crust and spread it evenly across the pan. Once the blueberries are spread out, sprinkle the remaining oat mixture over the top. Try to spread it evenly so you get a nice crumble and not big clumps in one spot. Have your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place this into the oven and bake for about 45 minutes or until the top is lightly golden and set. Once it comes out, let it cool for at least 90 minutes before cutting. This helps the bars hold their shape and makes them much easier to slice. These can last about a week at room temperature or up to 10 days in the fridge, although I honestly do not think they will last that long. These were so tasty and we'll have these on rotation for sure. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you're watching from. Thank you so much for being here with me for another video, and I will see you in the next one real soon.